Hi guys, and today I show you the recipe of focaccia. It's Italian bread. It's very easy. Okay, first I put the flour on the bowl and I add salt, dry yeast, and water. I mix this together in first speed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you see everything is mixed, you put at the second spin until the dough take out from the bowl. You see your dough like this, she take out from the bowl. Now I add step by step the olive oil at the end. Okay, after the olive oil, when your dough take out from the bowl, you can stop the mixer. After you put on your table, I put the flour on the bottom of the bowl. And you need just make a nice ball. And after you leave the dough outside for around 45 minutes with a towel on the top. When you see your dough grow up, you put again on your table with a little bit of flour. You push like this. And you make again a nice ball, and you can leave on the table with the flour for 15 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, I push the dough on the tray with a seal pad. I put the flour on the table. And now I laminate the dough. This recipe is for one tray. okay when your tray is full, it's fine. Now I put the tray on the oven, and also I put boiling water, and I close the oven like this. The oven needs to be off, okay? This is for you have more humidity and warm temperature on the oven, and with this technique the product proof very fast. Maybe in 1 hour, 1 hour 30 maximum is ready to cook. Now the dough is ready. Now I push with my finger like this. I put a little bit of olive oil. Salt. Little bit of black pepper and herbe de Provence, but you can put whatever you want, olive or black pepper or onion, and after I put on the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about I don't know, 15 minutes. Okay. Now it's ready. It's ready to eat, to share. Enjoy.